If you want to download apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, it is pretty straightforward. You can use either the Galaxy Store or the Google Play Store. In both cases, you need an account. In the case of the Galaxy Store, you need to have a Samsung account to be able to use it. And in this case, you can, for example, go to apps over here, and then you can search for an app that you might want to use. You can, of course, go through all of these different categories in order to try to find something that you might want to use. If you know exactly what you want to download, then of course we can use the search option over here in the upper right corner. Then over here at the bottom we have the search option in the field, so you can just type the name of the app that you're looking for, and you can of course see all these different apps. You can tap on the app in order to find the download button at the bottom of the screen, or actually the install button, but still it's the same thing. And besides that, we can also of course use the Google Play Store, as I mentioned. In this case you need to use a Google account. In here it looks pretty similar. We can see some example apps that you can get. We can also use these categories over here at the top to search for something more specific. And if you know what you're looking for, use the search button at the bottom and then the search field at the top, and then here you can just type whatever you're looking for. If you manage to find it, we have the install button in here, or you can tap on the app and you can find the install button right in this place. Once the app is installed, you should be able to open it either from the app in here. It is also possible in the Galaxy Store, or you can just go, let's say, to the app drawer and search for the app in here. There we go, it has been added. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.